So in this video I will show you how to assemble this organizer for kids. So it actually has space to hold around 6 of the smaller bins, and you could use 3 of the larger bins. However, the way I set it up, I wanted smaller beans, at least 4 small beans and a very large one at the bottom. Okay, so this is how I set it up, and I've placed it in my son's area. So just giving you a glimpse of his area. So this is basically what this video is about: how to organize or assembly this organizer for kids. Okay, I'll put the name and the link for it in the description box. So let's get this started. So in this video I will be showing you how to organize or mount up the Trofast. It's a kids, it's really good for kids storage. I got this for Liam's corner, and in this video I'll just show you how I made it. So I got these from Ikea, and to tell you the truth, I just loved it. I went for neutrals. There are different colors like orange beans and also green and pink beans. I wanted neutral because I wanted the area to look like it has a lot of light. I could always get accent pieces for Zane with his stuffed animals, so I decided to go for all white beans. So these are the beans I will be using on this, because his area I want it to just be full of light. Okay, so we are going to look at the pieces and show you everything that it came with.
Mommy, I mixed all.
Yes, so first up, let's go over the pieces. These are the 2 sides for the organizer. We have 4 other parts it came with. We're going to see where these parts go. And this is the top and bottom pieces. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in total. And we have all the other parts we have. And in the bag, we have all the other parts needed to get this thing assembly. So we have the screws, we have the wooden parts, and I love the fact that IKEA always places something that you could use to screw it. So we have like an alarm key. We could just insert here and then screw this, so you don't really. We'll be starting off by placing the wood insert into the holes. So basically, for the top piece and the bottom piece, as you can see, there are 2 holes that are very wide on either side, and one in the center that is pretty small. And what I would do, I would just place the wood insert in the larger holes. So 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. I'm doing both together. I just look for ways I could work pretty easy, just faster and easier for myself, especially being the one doing this right now. The centerpiece would be for the screw when you're adding it to the top and the bottom of the whole organizer. So we're going to do both ends. Just insert everything. Okay, so that's basically it. Now also we could see right here these pieces, we have to also place the wood insert in the wider hole. So I will be doing this. Let's just try to flip it all on the same side so it is really easy to do. So I am just doing all like this. So there is a wide hole and a smaller hole. The smaller hole would be for the screws. We'll just put the wood pieces in on both ends, okay?
Yes, mommy, then you go.
Okay, so now we're done with these parts. Let's get on to, it's time to attach these sides to this one. So this is what I'm going to do. Now, as you could see, there are grooves right here, those grooves, and we have this very thin wood area, right? So basically what I would be doing, we have to ensure that it is straight. Like this does not really look good because we don't need a space here. This space is not good, so this means that this is incorrect. You're seeing this space right here? This space right here is incorrect. It's supposed to be flush, like very flush, okay? You see this grooving, it's not flush. This is incorrect, okay? So flip the wood opposite way. If we flip the wood the opposite way, now look at this. Everything will be flush. So you have to ensure that it is the right way. So this is how it would be. You see how this is flat? This is what you're looking for. Ensure that it is not the opposite way, okay? This way is incorrect. This way is incorrect because you have this piece of ledge there. This is not what you're looking for. You flip it, look for this smooth part, and then this is how you would fit it. So it's a very flat. You can see that, very flat. Now you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember the wood, okay, on the opposite side. Remember the wood part is the bottom and the whole part is at the top. So we're going to tilt that up and we're going to insert this in like so. Okay. So this is what you're looking for. So this is basically what you're looking for. Now we're going to do the opposite. Bottom. Okay, again, wood at the bottom. Going to repeat this with the bottom piece. So we have the bottom piece and the top piece. So this is what we're doing right now. Very easy to mount up, that's the thing. The opposite side. So that's that. Now let's get on to the good part where we screw stuff together. Now it's time to add these to the top. We are going to do that right now. The bottom part right here. So basically what I will be doing, I will be attaching this one to the bottom right here. Okay. So we're just putting the wood inserts in place. Right here like this. And ensure that it is in, and then we just slam it down right here. Okay. Going to repeat it on the opposite side. Get a closer shot for you. So we just placed the top part. Now it's time to place the bottom part. So the top part we place this way. However, the bottom part we have to flip it the opposite way. Okay. So it's the same thing, but we're just flipping it on the opposite side when we're putting it. Okay. It will help you, this will guide you, because this area here, this is the larger hole and this is the smaller hole. So we flip it and then we just put it. So this is the bottom piece. Ensure everything is together. Then you just try your best to put everything in. Okay, in the hole. Okay. Just try your best to make sure everything is inside properly. This one looks like needs a little bottom part, and this is the top part. So you see, one is the opposite way. This one is flush the top, and this one is the opposite way. So now it's time to put on the top piece. We are going to put on the top piece right now. Make sure you're putting the top piece. Look for the guide. So this area is the screw right here because it has a hole there. You're going to put it the opposite way. Everything fits properly when we're doing this. Okay, make sure everything is straight, and then you could just slam your hands down. And then slam it into place. And now we are going to screw all the areas with the holes. We're going to screw right now. Okay, so this part is done. Now let me see where I am going to put it.
It looks like a cabbage.
It doesn't. That's not what it's for, buddy. So I think I want it close to his desk. Let's see if this could fit in this area. Hold on, buddy. Mommy has to put the beans inside. Hold on. Let me put it in the corner. Hold on. Right here. Don't forget to your security. You have to ensure that you put this on the back and drill it onto the wall. So security is very important for your kids, okay? I'll be putting this up here. I am going to add the beans and see what it looks like with the beans on. These are your beans. How this look.